Enti Bohonene ene TikTokers no abe clash with John Mahama. Eye nema mienu baako eye Women Development Bank. Omubuta say, His Excellency, with all due respect, afa hene fa. Ana face no cocoa ohonum cocoa board ehonum no. Enema bi cost one mo. Ekuafo no akoton cocoa but omusi sika eni hodum because of dollar cedi na enyina no. Dollar cedi na enyina no. Ama Asem no so no apaska. Aha Penyah block media. Mess was say need Obe like video no other man put subscribe button and back the notification connect latest updates. Now better the why join the mama comment section so baso. No share for onye biahwe. So it was in 2024. Yeah, quite about to campaign grounds. And as I said the president don't join Mahama. Okay so odwene ma ho. Odwene ma ho. On the Penyah sempa. Odwene ma ho. Enti no oba onyakonya na or the BBF Women Development Bank ebeba na abeboa ma no ma mefo no mu di dwa no ebeboa mo ope bosia kwada ko wura wudwa mu a obenya bosia age ho no mo je se or the that futuo bi obebo futuo bi ama ye ma me adwadefo no obebo that futuo ama wo mu e mo de ebo hye we e baaye.
The second one is our women. Our women are a major driver of this economy. If it comes to trade and commerce, our women dominate that sector. And most of the time, all they need is just a little credit, 1,000 Ghana cedis, to be able to use as capital, to be able to do their business. And yet there is no helper. The traditional banks won't give them support. And that's why NDC says when we come into office, we're going to create the National Women's Bank. The bank will have outlets in the major markets and everywhere that women have their small and medium enterprises. So that the little credits that they need, the 500, the 1,000, the 2,000, the 5,000, that bank will lend it to the women. And as they pay, it will be a revolving fund and will be given to other women and they will improve their circumstances. Because women form the majority of our population. The population census has continuously shown that women are 51% of our population, more than the men. And so we're going to give this focus so that they can be able to resolve their issues.
Madam, me am go suku na medru form 2 na me die. And I me papa de me question answer do magana card. Ade na me dey.
Digitalization, almost e be ma bibia.
Digital na nkasa me am gina he. Me fi kuro bi wa ha wo fra wa ayesu yako. Me ni me digital na ya de ye. Enti digital ya wo ka kire me madam. Ma minima ni sa mato me meat fry na menya me sika. Enti ni awu ka me ni mu.
Me pacho yo. Enti sisi a se abansi omo bisa ni awu hia sisi ombetumi ayama wa.
Sisi a ni me hia ni se. Adanu me ti da was obey Women's Bank manko a say ababa secretary, ababa cleaner, ababa treasurer, ababa bibianti e me kwa ya manko am nsuro bia. Because me am be sika kwato bank no kwa. Mema no hra mo pe no abobrim. But me yon kwa ba de okafo me kan bia kira no.
Man na me phone ni age because for sure. Bosia de no anu bia di run the business. Some da go pe bosia ya wo bre ba se. Obi bibi ama me phone na. O mani beje etna man phone ni age ma dolo na agina ade we so eto aba. Ede ma Mahama. I know 2025 you ready budget no. Na che say Women Development Bank no na kote say ya sign as low as 51.3 million Ghana cedis and the amano. But pad na go chairman kura no ni asane 292 million. Ya allocate eno ama say de go pad ama kura no. But Women Development Bank near the as low as 51.3 million Ghana cedis. Eme no kura no hono. You know, honorable Koyo Ponkonoma. Clàsh with the NDC government. Enyo no kwa. Many other people actually imagine air blast here.
So much that you're going to set up a bank for them, the Women's Development Bank. You have put $51 million allocation, 51 million cedis allocation in this budget for the Women's Development Bank. And then you have put 70 million cedis for research at Jubilee House. You see your priorities. The budget is beginning to betray your priorities. You give all of the women in Ghana who are looking for this bank 51 million, and then you give research at the office of the president 70 million Ghana cedis. You are beginning to see your priorities. Honorable Deputy Minister, you told us that something has happened that's never happened. The president has gone to negotiate minimum wage. How much? 10%. By the way, the previous administration did way better, 25% plus. But while you are increasing minimum wage by 10%, you have increased the compensation budget at the Office of Government Machinery by over 720%. Hey. Over 720%. This is what the leader of the minority said, that very soon we'll see the true colors of the umbrella. You see, your priorities are beginning to show. You need not less than about 1 billion Ghana cedis to close the infrastructure gap within senior high schools. You say you don't have fiscal space, you don't have money for it, but you have found 4.1 billion cedis to buy gold. Gold that was being bought from liquidity that was being brought into the jurisdiction by foreign companies that wanted to buy the gold. Now you want to take taxpayers' money, 4 billion Ghana cedis, to go and buy gold. Are you seeing your priorities now? You have made available 100 million Ghana cedis for capital expenditure at the Office of Government Machinery. What are you buying there? More cars or what? 100 million Ghana cedis for capital expenditure. And yet, you say to the young people of this country that there is no space. Paragraph 478.
Now, along the line, anyone who say, Janet Nabla, as the expose Ebeshim, I don't know. Bahama, the Women Development Bank, or who they know. Now you're known initiative or known code now on campaign guns and or can say, even in 2020, as or bar, or the BBF and Women Development Banks in case or more to about man cause on or a different party flag, at least a PNC flag bearer. See a 2 man no bar. Or the BBF and Women Development Bank ever by into Mahama soon.
Let me talk about the Women's Bank.
Okay,
the last one.
Yes, so that I bring
the Women's Bank, which I was so passionate about.
Yes.
Because, come to think of it, this Women's Bank idea, President Mahama picked, is my brainchild. It's not him.
Hey.
He just used the Women's Bank on it.
When you say it's your brainchild,
in 2020 election, I came out with a statement. It's in the media.
Okay.
And I said, if our party comes to power, that time I was in PNC. I said, when the PNC comes to power, one of the things we will do is to order commercial bank, NIB and ADB to give loans with low interest rate to market women to do their businesses.
How is that
because
women's development?
And then the president comes in that he is rather using a women's development. Where is the Women's Development Bank? I'm going to give a simple advice to the president. He can start this women's bank in commercial bank, because the commercial bank has structures in all the 261 districts. So he can pick just a place and call it women's bank, and they will start distributing money to our women.
Hey, that's a lesson. Asem. But Abusia, interestingly, this Women Development Bank will come Asem now. When you're down the lane, Yantin was in whom be a quakusi. Yantin was him a wonshi. And no, Anna Bonohene. It was one question said, where is the Women Development Bank?
1924, you're 2 about your first budget. Promise by Kwa, and this are buying the buy, and they say, we'll be see a Ma Bank. Hey. And we are Finance Minister Ato Forson. Hey. What am I paying John Praman, my money and DC for? Hey. Now, a Ma Bank, you know, Mubesino. Tia Commander Edino Pa 2025. Sika Mucha, yes, Yedikosi Ma Bank. Oh, your bar. Me Mahu Yamipa. Because Wabadi ye pet. Womano Yakosu. And a bed I don't know, because about time when didn't yan in Maho. Akaba say, Bema ya sansani saying, Bema Marcon, my saying, Waba time, Wobedi Diamond, and maybe a Diama Bema no Crebiedi. A tumpine. And to me, this yabai, and the Emma bank, baba, yababa mas kakra, interest in this, and interest was so crazy. Baby, I bet me a kwajibi, wabaton suo, wabaton mako, wabaton bodia, wabaton banche, no hoba high no, manije. Missy wow. I have a papa.
Way boy.
Ya locate sika. Ya ka location ya sika. 51.3 million Ghana cedis.
Wash.
Sa ye di si Emma bank.
Wash.
Bisa Honorable Ato Forson, the finance minister. Sa sika no ye twa ya 51.3 million Ghana cedis no. Emma bank no e wo he e won zonzo me ana.
Wash.
Ya si di kanesi.
Wash.
Takwa.
Wash.
Asaman kase. Kopodua. Akwatia. Ana mukrom osuhuma na sewam. Mukrom ne suhum. Kia so cry and CB. VC 10. Baby amanfo boro pa. Dan cry and CB ni atwa ho VC 10 stroke Women's Bank. Ye hu bi wo krum ha.
My be the whole clear man no nsa.
Enti bisa Honorable Ato Forson say 51.3 million Ghana cedis. Aya locate here, see the be Emma bank no, sikano eyira and e wukrum ha. Simple. Man is your move send this yaban. Sir, 2025. My first budget allocation amoye 51.3 million. Most of started bank. Na say adwene kura was sura. Yem for 51.3 million establish a bank.
The kind that hodo.
Seed money 500 million.
Chenia kasa.
Seed money. Sika ubetimi dia establish a bank. Ejiresa bank. Sika krabia me operate amount for betimi do musika for ho me be 400 million.
Etumpan. The kind that hodo.
But yes, a year buying tricks ya buying farasi ya buying tino must 51.3 million. Mumfes kana magana for.
Way.
Mumfa mama, mumfa nkoma kola.
You can't we also be reset your mind.
Because you budget for.
You can't we also be reset your mind.
Monko kejetia.
Etumpan.
Tamale market. Sunyane market. Easting, Kofobia market. Mumfa nchinchi na muchecha mama no.
Chenia kasa.
Take his way free he. Yencha Ato Forson.
Right, Honorable Speaker, we have also allocated 51.3 million Ghana cedis as seed fund for the establishment of the Women's Development Bank. Right, Honorable Speaker, we have also allocated 51.3 million Ghana cedis as seed fund for Women's Development Bank.
Mewacho we Honorable Ato Forson 2025. Asoma locate 51.3 million.
You can't we also be reset your
For Emma bank e wo krum ha. Enti Emma wo krum ha. Mi joma na mu mi ma meka ho mi nua ma ka ho mi namfofo ma ka ho. Omu bisa Honorable Ato Forson say sika no wo he.
The kind that hodo.
Bank no wo he. Ana ye bank no wo Central Region ba bia obi anim.
Oh, the whole bad the whole.
The constituency no cry den. Ato Forson. Hey, akraba.
Etumpan.
Wa dwen kontem. Wani na ho. Minima bia no ma ye bi wo ne constituency wo na batom peso aso I bet to differ. So ma ye bi dia me ni asem. Adwuma ko enyan Asem e bia na Women's Bank ni bi ho. But e bi ni ho dia. That means say omo treke Ghana for that Ghana for 2025 and scan e wo he budget allocation no scan wo he and na scan wo no mo dwo manum kansem
na penifo to be chatrosa in penifo to be chatrosa
na okọ kokobor hono mu a won se na nsem no dollar ni sidin sensem enyina ne naso eyese ekosoro a ne a pompi dollar ko ya pompi sika ko wura mu na eteba fom ye jai sika pompi wura mu na dollar ne se ekosoro eti enyina artificial enyina enya natural enya enu ankasa na eba form se bia ye de hihye pa bia gu akwam ne mum we de eye sika ne ye de to ye tu sika ne gum ye de sika na eto se baba form I quest all this car dead or Basem Pesame not na me usi camera show. Or the who this can dead and this can call for more. Or back up. San ye economy no. Dollar is this Sidi ni ahoɔden against the dollar, but you for so this came from. Ya diska hyɛsiri ni mfunu mu sɛ benya ahoɔden. Saa ne ye organ ha no mo. Ezesi kasa mo ye sɛ ɛkɔ pɛ. Yenya bi ngura ma na afi no. Dollar no ba no ase wan sɛ basi oja ba ma no, oja si de no. Na afi je sɛ sa diska kɔ fro bi wura me sɛ da bia investment ye bɔ ho ka, ye bɔ dollar no ho ka. Ema kawra ye bɔ no. Enfa bi ka sɛ da bi ade aga na fo ye no emwa ye. Ade Ato Forson ye no sɛ bibie nyame amwa ye na bibi di kukuro ya wu Ghana ya wu baby a ne o kwa koduru ni inflation any baby ne o kwa koduru ni ye ntimi ntina o man we mu rabusi a hon popo ye no I start eba even the last time na me na me kuro mu me duru baby e kari koko uno koko ifo ye kai o mum karaga from mu sempo o mo terms bi di mo koko crash for no ho no na me na woman bi na o de koko e be sa akọ kari aje ne sika on sin fro kada kwa na koko kracha aya sate ka chere nse ma me sika nuo na safa ko aba ma me ga say na se be be nka se mpis ka o de to na carry aya de ya sika beba se be di na o twe kura sika beba no so sika ni wo mint me sure but fa ko e me no kra na abe o mienu no o aso mu cause ma me no hwe se koko pa wo de afo kada tua ho ka abeduru ho no mo e sa de akwa ko tu kada sika de ne on ti ase eje ne nka ma papa ne nye no de on carry no fan to ho se bosome enum kura na sika beba wa begina ade dan so so koko fia on kwa nkwa ehi fie onum e ma na abedadwa na ka bele ni se bia ho nkwa babusa se e cast across on the internet the same thing ana kwa phone asat e ka se omo de koko a ya sika ni ho no because sidi ni dollar ho ensensem no emwa koko na ye free Ghana ha no e kokotona mo no ne no emwa ye dollar ni series ensem ni no emwa ye enyina na so ntini ye hu de ekọ emwa ye I'm a comedian so a Ghana for no abe clash with Mahama and Ato Forson. We catch you say you catch them ana mantiasi.
Dollar na o ma miamia so ya ka na omuso omuntie no. Ehun sunsanso asese eba. Na de abetom sese ene se eye doctor ofusuampofo. A ono ene ye cocoa board chair echire mu se cocoa boto na ye de ko na de dodo no ye nya we de 2023 kran a dodo a ye nya no 2024 asebe no ekosoro na emom dollar ne beduru o my Ghana ma osisa ko sidisa kitwe bi ase do bi ate ntwobu no ase do bi atete so do bi ante so efri se si emiamia dollar no so ama dollar na kofom into osisa ko sidisa no nya sidis kitwe bi to kire mu se 2025 de eka cocoa board de bebre aban no ye ni ankasa ye betese aha enu ntensunsun so ba akono ya ka se ma dollar no baby abafa no ma ni ngina ho ne stabilize no ma ni nkosoro ma ni nkofom na wo miamia kofom ni ma ne kotona ma no ne a o sesa ko Ghana series a unya hwe mfiri mu ma ntiene cocoa board o kire no se koko ananka 2024 o be ko amanone akoton sika nka abenya no unya dollar na beduru o my Ghana mo sesa ko Ghana series a di obenya no would the same amount no ko nei now kwaje dollars na de ba wo se sako cedis a asa de yate so enso ne yente so to se afidie 2025 eye e car cocoa board de ba no bubruja na me won ne akuafo se akuafo yi sika na amodi kan agege ye dada no se mundi ya mo fa binto na afidie aban won tum kokum ofri se already no cocoa board o ma kire se o maboka ntino e na sika no aban ko fa na no abetuma ma ontum ekada ho.
Hello, good morning, fellow Ghanaians. I don't know. Manasa be Mr. Mwa be Sabeka video. Montage. Randy Abbey. President Mahama and Ato Forson. Ato Forson, Asem Forson, Ato Forson, Asem Forson. Mr. Mun. Where Kwafo and Yakase, Coco Kwaf and Yakase. Messi. Mato Mikoko, me tongue 2 weeks to 3 weeks as na what the blonya. Mesa anka iska besinde inda mnoka sei uko pisi bia wa wasi scale ni wo kokon so waje nya sebse the president Mahama na kan Randy be mese udidi Randy be o ma yan akuafo ye bo ho ka intima ntra ho na ye de awo ye no o che me bo wo bu school ska me be pod be ko school kwa ye den scam bapod because square ding. Missy, abanada no one say ne kwafu ye hu no. Ne kwafu say ne mu ye de mayen. Nti Rwanda abe. O na wo ka say we Metro TV adwuma we hu. Why you wuti say opportunity. Na ka say we radio station adwuma ana TV Metro TV. No ko ta baja gbogbo wa na ka say rough. In the word na ma say ye. Ndo di kokoko awunye ska adentia. Udi kokoko awunye ska. Yes, now President Mahama. Ahonchire wo ho. Inflation now say I drop now, then we are drop. Any go to come. In the bottled water, then last year, na do na this year, and not on 3 cedi there 5 cedi. Don't have a film. Inflation I drop it. Now bottled water na 3 cedi there 5 cedi. Do kunga no bon 3 cedi there 5 cedi. Into say me ye djuma ablim mo je na me bla. Me de kokoko beba na se me hia sika. Mo ba je awie na me hia sika mesra mo. Ya no be anche. Me raise the run na be de me also.
From November of a year 2025, Abosome edu bako, neda etoso edu num, ewo afie etwa mu no. Eba be si semino kasa sisi yai. Cocoa board enyi 1 Ghana cedi. Enfama cocoa buying companies in some fan to cocoa. Almost 3 months. The air say companies no ankasa sono a seed capital. Omo business capital omo dwedie sika omo ede atoto koko ama eye aban no so no aban mo sika mpo no mo nya biasa to bi eni ti de si wo Dr. Hilary Mamre so ema amanfo no e pare kokos edi gu ho ene ma jeje ron about 3 months ema jeje ron bufu ya oye ku ono aba betwetwen koko no sa bi na si ye in the 1981-82 mre no so no 3 months period no afi bia baga na sisi yai and it now no okọ baby a omudua kokoo na akuafo no kokoo ba omuni atofo ena atofo no so na ye kokoo buying companies no omuso mu akuafo nemu omuni sika mo de beto
is there sana akoye
e say akuafo
ewo kokoo nanso omuni otofo ena atofo na ye kokoo buying companies no omuso mu akuafo nanso mu ni sika omo de beto bibia from ho ani okonya meka okose kodo krom oko akontomna oko all over the cocoa grain district there were oman ni mu a akuafo pale cocos de ku all mo say 81 82 de ni bia eye mobo de essence ehu bia mu ni enke ehu ye ne so cocoa scan ho na mom the international accepted storage material cocoa ewiase amansa dwemu no ye wode omu nyina gye tum say we eni mfa cocoa enwom obichi a ewo negative impact on the quality of the product. Okay,
your friend say cocoa jute sacks ye twi mu dia on the friend cocoa bottle and also no from November 2025 eba be see enne in January about abosomi miensa aban no enwilizi cocoa bottle bakumpo enfama cocoa buying companies no and into the problem I want to say do akuafo no enya obi ntom cocoa no baby kura mbe store cocoa no kura so egu kura so na kwakoye den enti mami Dora owo ajofia me call ncha odi evidence kire me no na ode ne ntoma ena asefom ena odi ni cocoa half bag no aguso
ntoma
wow the ya bi mu kra ne say most of the cocoa buying companies for no esa say omunya the cocoa juice sacks ni bi ntino international accepted omo ede fertilizer bottle the fertilizer sack ena omo de cocoa no egum eno no compromise quality and ya hwe ye na wiasa man say dwom kura hu kura tim twoma na so anything aye critical say we call on the stakeholders in the cocoa industry na yesre aban ne say onweleze sika enfama the cocoa buying companies for with immediate effect and manu yai sane be ya onbenye sika de atoko cocoa ne free akura for no ebiem onwilizi eye cocoa bottom.
Okay.
And from cocoa buying companies no. Samba must be to so dem akuafo no. No monye ba bi dom cocoa yeden. Agu. De me hu a ye de ani to from yehwe ye hu ye ne say because aban no ayi nani afri cocoa dwumadie no so. Na ani da ho no oma cocoa adwuma na ebre no. There I increase a high level of cocoa smuggle. Ewo eye nkronkura ene ada oman ebohye baby said ade so baby ti say osekwadwo krom baby say elibo the rate of say yes smuggle cocoa free oman nim e dey call other countries no ayeden agensem because say aban na yinani afi cocoa adwuma no eso a se be akuafo no ebre the yes an hu bi mu ne say ebe abosom miensa ne the rate ya akuafo na nkasa frefre galamsefo so mra meje omafu na agensem because okuani no kokoo ye bia school onya obi kura na odi kokoo na free no odi aman say che odi am kakra no memfa engotwemba school fees.
Okay.
Right, mama ba course me money din. Right, my ancestor ne ba anya accident o kokoo bags 4 egu ho ne krache ese say odi kokoo ni ma no na obetuma ma na otwe mienu ansa na ne nsa beka sika dia obeje because cocoa buying companies for no kra enyum tam on benya sika entoma ka kire mo ka kire for ne say ema obi an free cocoa age say ebia oni akogitu mu say na otwe miensa na otwe mienu ntam enti afi kra de ye di cocoa no kra epia eye cocoa kra kire for say je o de unya sika fa ma no omo companies na ka kire so oni ntam aban be mo sika therefore mo obi anye obi akoko nya den emu ho ma me na eba no a woda konfa no che no enye sika efanko ba okoko ye den egu ho enti sa nipa we no na galamsefo ekọ ne nchen eka che ne se wasase no one pool no me maun eye 50,000 Ghana cedi 500 million OCDs fama mea odremnika ena ode na phone be ma galamse. So within November last year, December and up to date, the rate of a year amount for Elizomafu, Edema Galamsey for in the cocoa growing zones, not only Western North, are highly unprecedented. And Shebi Mamemia, the man who is consistent and to emuno, abiding no strategically. The friend of policy strategies. On country will say cocoa managai. Farmer galamsey ni. Senebo benya good ato through good board. No nyeska. Nenso obebu abama to the sense say wa ankasa na be fe galamsey for some meje. And abaino ohwe ne policy ne cheshe ne how we operatize ne setana. Ye ka CD akofoma akosoro a o say ehwan good board. You can't say inflation ako eswatia one of the mom good to good board. O no enya reserves enya sikapa one of the credit mom good board. A buy no a for me good board. An alternative to cocoa board. A buy no ye and the one who say first no. Ye be toko kwa ye koji sika be friend syndicated loan bosnya. Na bana koji 1.2 billion US dollars. Faith FM. Eba be to yen account of Bank of Ghana. Before say be toto kuku na me sika ni mo yedu. Because dollars about system nim 1.2 billion pe. Na be 6 months okay that time na e say kuku sika bo. Na dollar na ba. Mo say exchange rate no na e see deny den akoso 1.2 billion pe. We there within just 2025 abaino enya almost 10 billion US dollars if you good board. Enti cocoa na ne ekwaje bosia syndicated loan 1.2 billion. Ana ema esidi na ho den kosoro no. Abana nya alternative for a good board. Ene de tiwa man 10 billion times 10 of sa sika ne dollar ne nya free cocoa mu de ba omanim. What was it? In the first and the second quarter alone, sika abana nya free galamsey cocoa a good or moto. Any through the good board buying of good no almost times 3 of the union cocoa. And it abiding so a one Natalia washe ne frama wo home nyina na is about the gold toto. The alternative way ya good adwuma wo man ni mu no cocoa. They say abane de mraba say enye galamsey wo kwayem. Echoma mo wo kwaye mu nyina na eba asase retam so. Oba bebi edua cocoa na ya wasase nyensa pe ya wo kwaye. Ene na ese omu mfiri mu no. Ene wo cocoa afu. Ene wo den afro ana ateche.
Ana ewura.
Awura no ana ateche no eye small portion geto abi. The sopa na kwaye no eye so omu mfiri mu no ene cocoa afu. Enti galamsey fo no efi onyina ba na ye pam onyina so omu pie no. Omu focus no ko awura eni cocoa. Se aban ni makoko ni so ani na oto cocoa bu no ma na kosoro na unya sika eto cocoa no na ye boa akuafo no enuro emadwuma na yakono a obi enu on modern ni cocoa afo galamsey ni because oye galamsey no ewi a wasase no ntimi nye den enye na mom wa cocoa ye nto 3 months ni cocoa no bo so akodi vu de kra akoso chen ye de no sebi cocoa bo no so ewo fom botokra so a unya bi. So abandon can tell say Fakoma galamsey for one other galamsey. No, we are talking galamsey for cocoa no they are good board, no sort of vessel Sidiano. So the government is deliberately betraying cocoa Jumano. And you replacing it with cocoa with good.
Okay.
Anything a year pan a child say cocoa Jumana and you hear the number of people I employ home. A queer form your cocoa Juma. A dozen chair by Juma for a form of Juma. A queer form your cocoa Juma. E does choma mo ya mining omo mo ya galamsey.
Good.
And it is a abaido collapse cocoa adwuma na se na oguso a wo ye na. The level of unemployment ahokyere beba on man mu no do obenya gold sika no but it will be a security threat to the nation.
Should I want your mama? Comment section. I Penyah block me.